In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give remote control in Google Meet using Chrome Remote Desktop. This method is seamless and secure, ideal for collaborative tasks and hands-on assistance. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate to Google Calendar. You can find it easily in your Google Apps or type it directly into your browser address bar. Once you're there, you'll want to locate the specific meeting you are scheduled for. This is crucial because you need to select the meeting that requires the remote control feature. After you've found the meeting in Google Calendar, click on it to open and view its details. Here, you should see the option to join the meeting with Google Meet. Click this link, and it will prompt you to join the video conference. It's essential to ensure you're clicking on the right meeting link to avoid any mix-ups. Now, click on Join Now within the Google Meet interface. This will enter you into the meeting space. If this is your first time, make sure your microphone and camera are set up correctly before proceeding. Participation clarity is key in any remote session. Once you're in the meeting, open your Chrome browser and locate the Chrome Remote Desktop extension. This extension is a powerful tool that allows you to share your screen and give control to others securely. If you haven't already installed it, you can find it in the Chrome Web Store by searching for Chrome Remote Desktop and following the installation instructions. Next, with the extension ready, navigate to the Remote Desktop page. Look for the Remote Support option and click on it. This page is specifically designed to allow you to grant and receive access, creating a secure environment where both parties can connect comfortably. After you've accessed the Remote Support section, you'll see an option to Generate Code. Click this to produce a unique access code for your session. This code acts as a handshake between you and the person you're allowing to control your machine. Once the code has been generated, you'll need to share it with the person who needs access. A quick pro tip: use a secure message or a private chat within Google Meet to send the code. It's important to keep the code confidential and ensure it only goes to the intended recipient. By following these steps, you have now successfully given remote control to another user during a Google Meet call using Chrome Remote Desktop. This feature not only enhances collaboration, but also provides a hands-on experience for all involved. Remember, when the session is finished, it's good practice to revoke access to ensure your system's security. And that's it. Now you can empower your meetings with remote support and control. Thanks for watching and have a great session.